Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Yarder Plus Pack by DEPA3 Design on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro. And yes, this is a modded version of the base game one, which has been quite a while since I've fooled with them, and I don't even know if I actually did or not. But here is the two base game ones, and this is the three modded ones we got now. So Yarder Plus Pack mod. So any differences here? Yes, we actually get a 1 extra ton of pulling power, 500 foot. So we'll show you how that one works. No options here. It says recommends 110 horsepower, so you'll need to have something hooked up to it to operate, like a tractor, or maybe a PTO machine or something like that. And then we have two self or powered ones. We have the 5.5, so that's 5.5 tons, and then a 20-ton one. They're both identical except for the pulling power of each of these. We have wheel options, and this one we have color options. We have even favorite colors, so let's go with a favorite. That color is all that bits. The body color is that. Grid color is the grills, and rim color, as you would expect, would be the rims. All right. Let's grab a tractor. Oh, here we have a tractor. So I have a setup over there, but we're gonna show you how this one works first. And this one has to be oriented in a particular direction, and let's go with we'll have to put down a tree. You need a tree for an anchor spot. So say you're in a forest area and you're cutting down trees, and so we need to lower that. There we go. And I do believe we need to plant, you need to anchor. Let's choose this tree as that's a good anchor tree. It could be up to 500 meters, I believe. So we'll just put it right here. All right. So the vehicle still needs to be running. We come up to it like this and see that L3. Bam. And we're going to go over to our anchor tree. And as it see that, bam, bing, set tree as rope target. Circle. Boom. All right. Now we have this. See our top left of our screen? We have this show up now. So notice the other, we have 3 anchors that automatically place down when we place that. So remember, this vehicle still needs to keep running for this to work. Now we have some options. L3, enable it to follow you. So it's going to follow you as you walk back and forth. That can be quite handy. Or if you don't want that, disable follow mode, you can R1 and move it manually with your right stick. All right. Okay, so that's the little bitty baby one. Let's see here. Fold. Nope, can't fold it. Oh, lift. Nope, can't do any of that right now. We can't. We're going to have to. There we go. L3, remove the rope, and it unhooks everything, and now you're able to move it around. Okay, we're going to show you how to use it with logs in a moment. But let's go ahead. But remember, when you're doing that, you have to lower it. Oh, and for transport, let's raise it back up. For transport, you can fold it, so that makes it a lot easier to transport. Can we disconnect while it's... No. All right. There we go. So notice when I get out of it, it's going to say, please lower implement. Which means Yeah, it's another way of saying you need to have it hooked up to a vehicle. All right. Now let's take this out to the same spot. I do believe it does matter which way it orients in. You're going to want, I believe it's this way. So we unfold this as well. Now this is the same as the base game one, it's just this one's modded with the color options and the extra pulling power. So let's go ahead and drop that off. It automatically is powered, so you don't have to start it up or anything like that. Let's see if I'm oriented in the correct direction here. And yes, I am. So circle, there we go. And it operates without being attached to anything. So that's the difference between the two. This one is self-powered and quite a bit larger, as you can see here. And the other one is powered by a tractor. Now, I have one set up here. Let's go ahead here and detach tree. There we go. So, how do you attach trees? Well, you want your yarder close to a tree, and how was this again? Oh, wait a minute. There we go. You can't be holding anything. Just point towards, you don't have to do anything. Once it's above whatever you want to pull, there we go. And R1 and X, and there it is attached. And we can lift or lower the tree. And also there is move carriage to yarder L3, and it will automatically pull it all the way back to your yarder. And then detach the tree. Bam! And that's it. The other one will work the same way as that. Hopefully that answers some questions. Yarder plus pack by DIPA 3 Design. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.